For Egypt and Italy, we are operating from Italy for more than 60 years ago. We're having operations from Milan and from Rome with a weekly frequency of 24 weekly frequency from Milan, Paris, and from Rome, Fiumicino to Cairo in the moment. According to the figures we had, the confirmed figures according to the fiscal year, which is starting from July 2023 up to ending in June 2024, we had it, 2022 up to the end of 2023, last year fiscal year, we carried 265,000 passengers with 221 operated flights. Actually, due to the high demand we are having in the Italian market, and the too many Italians that are more interested in visiting Egypt as a destination, and some of them as a connecting point from Egypt to the rest of the world, because we have a very strong network in Africa, Middle East, and Asia, Europe, and America. So actually, we plan to increase the summer capacity to be 28 frequency from Milan and also per week to offer 4,000 seats, more than 4,000 seats per week. The last thing I would like to say that with also the increased demand on Egypt, you know that too many Italians, they like Sharm el-Sheikh, so we had an agreement with MSC Group to operate a chain of charter flights starting from 15th of July and ending in 15th of September. This is all I'm having for the moment, and I'm always pleased whenever you have any plans about Egypt, I'll be pleased to cover them. Thank you.